Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize machine learning frameworks with TensorFlow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize machine learning frameworks with TensorFlow, begin by installing TensorFlow on your system. Use pip to install TensorFlow by running the command pip install TensorFlow. After installation, create a new Python script where you will build your machine learning model. Import necessary libraries, starting with TensorFlow using import TensorFlow as TF. Next, prepare your dataset. Load the data that you want to train your model on. Use TensorFlow's Data API to create a dataset object for efficient data handling. Split your data into training and validation sets to monitor performance and avoid overfitting. Now, define your model architecture by using sequential or functional API available in TensorFlow. Add layers to your model, starting with input layers, followed by hidden layers and an output layer. Choose an appropriate activation function for each layer based on your problem type. Once your model architecture is defined, compile your model by selecting an optimizer, loss function, and evaluation metrics. Common optimizers include ATOM, SGD, and RMSprop. For the loss function, use categorical cross-entropy for classification tasks and mean squared error for regression tasks. Begin training your model using the fit method, specifying the number of epochs and batch size. Monitor performance on the validation data using callbacks like early stopping or model checkpoint. To optimize performance, consider using data augmentation techniques to enhance your training dataset. You can also experiment with different model architectures or increase the number of layers to improve accuracy. If your model is running slow, consider enabling GPU support in TensorFlow for faster computations. You can check for GPU availability using tf.config.list_physical_devices, GPU. If available, ensure TensorFlow is set to utilize the GPU by adjusting settings in your script accordingly. After training, evaluate the model performance using the evaluate method on the validation set. Once satisfied with the results, save your trained model using the save method to save it for future use. Finally, test your model with new data to see how well it generalizes to unseen examples. These steps will guide you through the process of optimizing machine learning frameworks with TensorFlow effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.